Hey everybody, I am with you today with this painting in one of my art journals. I will try to find this one and link it below. It's a little on the pricier side, but it's a good size to travel with, and the paper is really nice, and yeah, it's a good quality art journal. So going in with my paints and kind of making a spray of leaves and whatnot. Sometimes I start with the flower and sometimes I just start with the leaves. Not a lot of method to the madness here, but going in with greens and browns and just kind of feeling those autumn vibes and painting away here with my watercolor. And yeah, if you want to check out the links below. I'm also trying out a new video app, hoping to get rid of a watermark here, so we'll see. Always trying to work on the quality of my videos, so always thank you for your patience with that, but it's nice to be able to share and we can learn from each other. So yeah, going in with some purples and lots of great colors there. And my thing with watercolor is always being patient enough to let that layer dry before you go in and do the next layer, which is, you know, the nice thing about like acrylics and oil pastels and things. You don't have to wait quite as long for to finish your painting, but it's nice to do watercolor now and again as well. And often I will add color pencils in for extra layers there. I think I went to go dry that because I just couldn't wait. So here I am going in with a little bit of color pencil and trying to bring out some different just some edges and things that make it a little more distinct, and using, I think those are my polychromos that I'm using there, and which are oil based. I also like the Prismacolor pencils, but those are not the oil based type. So it kind of depends on the effect you're looking for, but either one is a great color pencil if you're in the market for that. Going in with my trusty Posca there, and you know, like I like to do, and then this is some Liquitex gold acrylic paint, and right now, as of making this video, it's been on sale for like almost $4, which is like a great steal. Thanks, guys. I hope you enjoy this video and check out the links below. Thank you so much for joining me, and have a great day.